Zortman here, Executive Director at the Port of Redwood City. And if you didn't see it, you gotta see Open Sky Productions do a phenomenal drone show. We are the first port in San Francisco Bay that did a drone show over the water.
Just finished an amazing evening. Tons of people saw an incredible drone light show that blew my mind. To be honest, when I first heard about the drone light show, I didn't know what to expect, but it was awesome.
We were able to pull this show off in a very short time frame. They traveled out here. They're just phenomenal, super professional, really great to work with, great attitudes, just able to pull everything off to the T. Open Sky is the best. Hire them, we love them, we want them back anytime.